Today we are also just showing you another property or another theorem on parallelogram. What is this? Suppose this is ABCD is a square. The theorem is prove that the diagonals of a square are equal and perpendicular to each other. That is, this is ABCD is a square, and this is also obviously is a parallelogram, because a parallelogram definition of the square is a parallelogram whose all sides are equal and angles are 90 degree. So this is a square. AC and BD are the diagonals. We have to just prove that is AC equal to BD, that is the diagonals are equal and they are intersect at 90 degree or bisect at 90 degree. Now prove that is in triangle ABC and this triangle ABD, these two triangles, what we can just get it, this is AB equal to AB, this is common side, and this is equal to this also, because this is a side of a square, all sides are equal, no? This is AD equal to BC, that is side of the squares. And this angle equal to this angle, because the angles are also 90 degree of a square, no? So angle DA, angle ABC angle BAD equal to 90 degree. Okay, this is actually all angles are of a square. So we can just tell this is triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD, and this is side angle side, that is SAS criteria. Now from here we can conclude that this is AC equal to BD, therefore AC equal to BD, this is CPCT, which is the first part of this theorem, that is diagonals are equal to each other. Next part is whether they are perpendicular each other or not, they are bisect perpendicular each other or not. Now in triangle AOB and triangle AOD, these two triangles, here this is equal to this, that is AB equal to AD, and OA equal to OA, this is common, this is the sides of a square, and AO equal to this, and this OB equal to OD, because this is diagonals are bisect each other, diagonals bisects each other. So we can conclude that is AOB, therefore triangle AOB congruent to triangle AOD, this is SSS criteria of our, that is criteria of congruency of the triangle. Now from here you can tell this angle, therefore angle AOB equal to angle AOD, this is CPCT. As because this is the linear pair, we know AOB plus AOD equal to 180 degree. This is linear pair. Therefore, twice of AOB equal to 180 degree. Therefore, AOB equal to 90 degree. If AOB is 90, then definitely this is also AOD also 90 degree. Therefore, we can conclude that is AO is perpendicular on, therefore AO is perpendicular on BD. That is, this implies AC perpendicular on BD. So, this is proved, which is required to prove. So, here we can conclude that any square whose diagonals are bisect each other at 90 degree. Thank you very much.